is David Shah and I'm one of your self-help trainers. And today we are going to discuss about self-help speaking task 5. So let's have a look at what exactly you will come across in this particular task. Well, in this particular task, you will actually come across a task where you'll have to compare and you'll need to persuade. So basically, this task is made up of 3 parts. And as you can see in the instructions, the first option is to choose an option. So basically, that is one of the part. And you are given 60 seconds for that particular part. Second part is the preparation time. So you are given some preparation time upon the options you come across, and that is also for 60 other seconds. The third part is the speaking time. That is when you actually respond to the topic you come across. And even for that, you're given 60 other seconds. So let me take you further to a question. Well, as you all can see, in this particular task, you will be actually coming across 2 options initially. Okay. Now, if you notice, then those 2 options are basically about 2 subjects. Okay. So there can be any 2 options. Okay. Actually, this is one of the sample question which I have created. You may come across any such 2 objects. Okay. There can be 2 houses, there can be 2 cars, there can be any 2 objects. Okay. So if you notice in the question, it says that your brother is finding difficult to choose a subject for higher studies. He has shortlisted a few options and seeks your advice. Utilizing the pictures and details below, if you notice, there are 4 details mentioned in each of the subject. So you need to choose the option which you prefer. And in the next part, you will require to persuade. So you need to convince your brother that your choice is the better choice. So if you will not choose an option, okay, then in your actual examination, the computer will choose one for you. So try to make sure that you choose one by clicking on the right choice as per your convenience. And you do not need to speak for this part, okay? So basically, it's nothing that your brother has chosen any of these 2. No, this is what you have come across, okay? So if you notice, one of the subject is accounting and the another one is aeronautical engineering, and there are 4 parts. There are 4 features about both the subjects. And if you notice in the bottom, we have a preparation time which is for 60 seconds. So even in your examination, once you'll come across these 2 options, you'll be given 60 seconds. So all you need to do is you need to observe both the subjects, and the one which you think that you would like to speak upon, you need to make points as per that. Although this the one that you will choose, that would be displayed in the next part as well, where you will actually have to compare with the subject that your brother has chosen. Okay, so let's move ahead and let's see what exactly my brother has chosen. Okay, well, oh, so if you notice, then my brother has actually chosen history. Now that's a completely different subject. So now I am given another 60 seconds based on what option I have selected. So if you notice, I have chosen accounting. Okay. Now, if I compare the advantages, okay, and if I compare the features, then they have some or the other variants taking place. So this is actually going to give me an idea why my choice is better compared to my brother's choice. Okay, so let's say, for example, if we look at the first one, it says majority businesses are dependent, whereas in the history it says to know about how societies were built and operated. So if you compare the rest of the features, you'll be able to frame sentences accordingly. Okay, so basically you need to make sure that within the 60 seconds of preparation time, you have enough points that you can stretch an entire response. Okay, so let me take you through the next step, okay, which you need to keep in your mind when you will be having your rough notepad in your examination so that you can create one such response that should be an adequate one. Okay, now let's take a look. So, yes, there are some tips which I have for you for this particular task. So, one of the tip is that we need to use vocabulary which are relevant as per the task. So, say for example, because this task is based on subjects, okay, and based on the higher studies. So, I have used one of the higher studies as the vocabulary. Second one is more suitable. So, basically, you need to use comparative adjectives. Third one is more than history. So basically, I'm comparing why my choice, that is accounting, is better than my brother's choice. So my brother chose history, so I have selected that one as a part of the vocabulary. Now, you need to also consider that your tone has to be in a convincing manner. So, for example, if you look at the three sentences which I have created, okay, one of that is, although the retirement age is earlier, okay, so we have to continue in a way that we can compare both the retirement ages. So the second one is another aspect to look upon is that the fees of the history course is very high. So of course that is one of the aspect, okay, in the four features that we come across, wherein accounting fees was pretty low compared to history. And if you notice the third one, I have made that despite the fact that the retirement age as a historian is more. So basically, the retirement age as a historian is pretty more compared to accounting. But there are other benefits of being an accountant. So you need to have such vocabulary that actually suffices the response. Okay, that actually should be related to the content about what all you are describing. So let me show you a few keywords you can definitely include. So there are some terminologies you can include in your answer. Say for example, would love to calculate, okay, because I'm talking about in terms of accounting. Consume are solving, so solving some kind of problems, some kind of calculations. Spend only half in terms of fees. I've used that one. In the longer run, that means in the future, make enough money. Of course, that is going to be one of the part. Make you spend. Yes, in comparison to both the subjects, which one is going to make you spend? Satisfying is also one of the terminology. So basically, after all, the career should be such that satisfies you, right? So now, using all these tips and terminologies, I have created one sample answer, which I would like you to take forward. So you can have your own sample answer that can last for 60 seconds. Here is what I have. So if you notice, I have started my response with a greeting that I'm just mentioning, hey Adam, that's the name of probably my brother. And then I take it forward with an introductory statement which says, I know you're thinking about alternatives about which subject to pursue for higher studies. Now, that is a generalized statement about the topic. Okay. Now I'm actually moving on to the topic, which says, I actually believe you should opt for accounting. I believe that's much more suitable to your nature. So now I'm talking about what character and what characteristics does my brother have. Okay. I recall when you were young, you would love to calculate a lot and consume hours solving math problems. So now I'm taking in terms of the why accounting should be opted by my brother. Now, because my brother maybe has a love for math subject, maybe that is one reason why I want him to consider that. So, I believe you love accounting more than history. The good thing about accounting is that you would spend only half of the duration completing the course compared to your choice. Yes, of course. The duration which I have chosen for him, that is for only 2 years in the accounting compared to history, which is for almost 4 years. That's pretty a lot. So that will actually be of your help in the longer run in future, of course. Although the retirement age is earlier. So basically the retirement age as an accountant is a little earlier compared to as a historian, but you will easily make enough money by then. So I do not think that's a very crucial part. Now, you need to add on such connectors that actually makes the person to whom you are speaking to whom you are convincing, they should actually feel convinced. Okay, if you have to, yeah, explore the historical, places on your own after passing out, that will certainly make you spend a lot more. Of course, I need to also compare what is the disadvantage of choosing the option which he has actually thought upon. Despite the fact that the retirement age as a historian is more, that's not a big deal when you think about the rest of your life. Of course, the utmost important thing now, this is where the closing is coming up for a response, which is very important. So you need to make sure that while you start with a greeting, you introduce, you explain all the details, you should also have a closing statement which says that most important thing is to find something you like to do. I believe if you studied accounting, you will effortlessly get a job later on and have a satisfying position. So this looks like a complete response, guys, and that's what your response should look like. So I hope you practice a lot when you come across multiple options in this particular task. Okay, basically, as we noticed, there were two options which I came across earlier, and for that I was given 60 seconds of preparation time. Then after, I clicked upon one of the choice as per my convenience, and then I came across my choice compared to my brother's choice. So even for that, I'm getting another 60 seconds, and then after, I'll be given the 60 seconds to respond. So that is when I need to have such a response to record upon. And we need to make sure that the tone has to be convincing. So it works. I hope the tips have been helpful for this particular task. Please do stay tuned. We shall be coming up with many more such videos about self-care. And if in case you have any queries, please do contact us upon www.aspiresquare.com, or else you can surely call us upon 8866880707. Myself, Jamit Shah, signing off for now. Take care.